Hi everyone, it's me again, Jackie. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to print using my Paperang printer. In this video, we will talk about the price, how to install the app, how to print, how useful is this for my tattoo sessions, and also different kinds of thermal paper. Well, I got mine for 999 pesos. So check out Lazada or Shopee, sobrang daming pagpipilian. Let me tell you guys how to turn on this device. You just have to press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. And same thing if you want to turn it off. And if you want to change the thermal paper, you just have to pull it down. Pull it up to lock it in. And now I will show you how to install the app. You can just go to Apple Store and search for Paperang. Oh, hi Kitty! Now that we have installed the app, let's go ahead and link it to our device. You just have to double tap the power button for 2 times. Double tap na nga eh. It will automatically print the QR code. Then you can now open your app on your phone. Tap on the 3 dots, then choose Scan Code to add. Make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. You can now scan the QR code. Now that we have linked it, we can now open the app and try to print. There is actually a lot of options here. We have notes, scanner, image slicer, template maker, text print, and banner. Since we are just trying to print, let's focus on the notes. As you can see here, we have text, table, image, emoticon, theme, barcode, and scribbling. We will not go through each of them since it's already self-explanatory. Like for example, you want to print text or image, something like that. So yeah, I chose this image to print. You may want to print a lot of sizes so that your client will be able to choose what size she wants to be tattooed. Let's go ahead now and print this image. You just have to click the printer icon on the upper right hand of the screen. And the device will now print the image. Just like this video I made, you can just directly stencil it and paste it to your client's skin. I also want to share this, guys. This is my client's sister. She died when she was a baby. So my client wanted to have a tattoo of her. Just a simple outline work. And she wanted to add a red balloon. I really felt sorry about it, so I did my best to make her happy. So yeah, let's go back to Paperang because that is where I edit it. I'll show you guys. Once you add an image, you just have to double click it and a filter options will pop up. We have text enhancement, invert color, white background, and so much more. So since the client just want an outline, I chose text enhancement. And after that, I just added the missing outline. So here is the finished product. And for our last topic, the thermal paper. So aside from thermal paper, we have transparent paper. And it can print just like this. And we also have a sticker paper. Here is the example print. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. I hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Bye!